A paid newsletter is a powerful way to share premium content with your most engaged readers while earning a recurring revenue. And please take note, WordPress.com includes everything you need to publish and deliver paid newsletters without requiring any third-party tools or complex setup. To create a paid newsletter, your site needs to be public. So to do that, make your way to your dashboard, head to Settings, click Reading, and next to Site Visibility, set your site to public, and remember to save your changes. So when you are ready to begin, go to your dashboard and then navigate to Jetpack and click Newsletter. Then scroll down to Paid Newsletter and click Add Plans. Depending on your plan, the newsletter section may be under Jetpack and then Settings. Open the Newsletter tab top right, and then you can also scroll down to Paid Newsletter and click Manage Plans. Now we are ready to add a payment plan, but the first step is to set up a free Stripe account to accept payments to your bank account. So let's go ahead and click Connect Stripe. You'll be redirected to Stripe to sign in or create a new account. Then you will be prompted to enter your business and bank details and authorize the connection. Once you are connected to Stripe, you can click Add a new payment plan. Describe your plan. In this case, I will name it Members Lounge. And below that, toggle on the option Paid Newsletter Tier. I will keep things simple and create a single tier plan, but you can also create membership tiers such as Basic and Premium. But you will need to establish separate payment plans for each tier. And then add the price per month and the annual fee, which you can offer at a discounted rate. And don't forget to write a brief message to welcome your subscribers. And then save your paid newsletter plan. And now my site is connected to Stripe and my newsletter tier is in place. Next, I'm going to write and publish my first newsletter post for paying subscribers. Visit your site's dashboard and go to Posts. You can create a new post, or in this case, I will open a draft post. I have already added the content as well as the post featured image. By default, a blog post is visible to everyone when published, but there are two ways to restrict the visibility to paying subscribers. The first one is to update the access settings. Let's see this in action. I'm ready to share the post, so I'll click Publish and scroll down to Access. You can choose whether the newsletter should be public, meaning everyone has got access, available to only people who have subscribed, including free subscribers, or exclusive to paid subscribers. In this case, we will select Paid Subscribers Only. The post will be available to subscribers who paid through the payment plan you have set up. And below Newsletter, we can see that this post will be published on our site and also emailed to our paid subscribers. And please note, before you publish, you can send yourself a test email first. Once you are satisfied with your newsletter and its settings, you can publish. And take note, you can also schedule your post to go live at the time that best suits your audience. And when you're ready, click Publish top right. A restricted version of the post will appear on your site, prompting non-paying readers to subscribe. And WordPress.com will automatically deliver the email to everyone who subscribed to your newsletter, ensuring that paid members receive their premium content right away. The second way to restrict access is to use the Paywall Block. Visitors or free subscribers will see only the free preview portion you choose to reveal. You can add the Paywall Block towards the beginning of a post. Any content before the Paywall Block will be accessible to everyone. Let's go ahead and add the Paywall Block at the top of our post by typing /paywall and then inserting the block. Next, I'll click the three vertical dots and select Add Before. And then add a teaser or introduction, since it gives them a glimpse of the value behind the paywall. But remember, you can add the paywall anywhere in the post. Once you are ready, hit Publish. And now we will see the overview or the teaser followed by the subscribe block. And paid subscribers will receive a newsletter email. I also wanted to point out, if you make your way to the newsletter section, you can enable your featured image to appear in post notification emails. And you can decide if you want the full text of your post to display or only an excerpt, so that readers are encouraged to read your post on your site. Next, let's look at adding a subscribe block or pattern to your site. From your dashboard, go to Appearance and click Editor. And in this case, I'll open my home page, open the list view top left, select the main content area, click the 3 vertical dots and select Add After. And then use the shortcut /subscribe and insert the block. The cool thing is my newsletter membership tier automatically applies. Then you can also open styles and add some padding on the left and the right of your block. And when you're ready, save your changes. And when a reader subscribes to your newsletter, they will be prompted to choose a membership tier. To add a subscription pattern instead, open your home page, click on the plus icon, top left, and then open the Patterns tab. And then we are going to scroll down to the newsletter section. Then we can select a pattern that suits our needs. I will go for the last one on the list. Click on the pattern to insert it into your page. Then I will close my left sidebar, and then you can adjust the text and colors as needed. You can also explore other methods for visitors to subscribe to your site, and then you don't have to add the subscription block or the subscription pattern manually. Let's look at these methods in your newsletter settings by going to Jetpack and then clicking Newsletter. Or depending on your plan, go to Jetpack, click Settings, and then open the Newsletter tab top right. Let's take a closer look at 2 of these options. First, let's enable subscription overlay on homepage and save our settings. Then we can check it out on the front end. If somebody visits our homepage for the first time, they will be prompted to subscribe, or they can skip to the content. The second option we can look at is enabling floating subscribe button on the site's bottom corner. And remember to save the settings. Once it is active, let's preview it on the front end. As we scroll through the homepage, the subscribe button stays visible bottom right. If you want to view your subscribers, make your way to Jetpack and click Subscribers. Here you will see a list of all your subscribers and the option to manage them. Consistency is key to running a successful paid newsletter, so make sure you set a realistic publishing schedule to keep your audience engaged over time, and make sure your paid content offers something unique and valuable. It is also a good idea to use free content strategically to attract new readers. And that is all you need to set up a professional paid newsletter on your site.